shake myself out a little bit. Okay. Hi guys, so since I've moved to London, I've been traveling like crazy. There are some skincare products that I can't leave home without, so that's going to be my top 5 skincare travel essentials. So first is the Lazlo cleanser. So I love this for traveling because it's complete with their cleansing oil and cleansing bar all in one unique compact travel case. So it keeps both super organized. Next, makeup wipes. So I love Clinique's makeup wipes. They're super easy to just have in your bag. Take your makeup off quickly. It gets all my mascara off. And it's perfect too for traveling because it doesn't take away from your liquid allowance if you just have a carry-on. Next, we've got facial spray. So I've talked about facial spray a lot in previous posts. I'm obsessed. I can't travel without it. So it's perfect for the plane if you want to give yourself a mini facial. It's perfect when you get off the plane for a quick skin refresh. I use this as my toner while I'm traveling, and I love Peter Thomas Roth's. It's a cucumber detox spray, so it's super refreshing on your skin, and it's 3.4 fluid ounces, so it is fine for your carry-on. Next, we have Lazlo Multitask Eye Serum Masks. These are amazing. I use these all the time, not just when I'm traveling, but I like them for travel because they come in these little individual packets. So I'll just have a couple in my makeup bag. And I don't know about you guys, but when I'm traveling, I'm usually sleep deprived, eating and drinking more than normal. If I have any puffiness, these are my go-to. Last but not least, Aquaphor Lip Ointment. This is my drugstore holy grail product. I can't travel without it. Comes in a little tube, so it's easy breezy, throw in your makeup bag. I also use this as a lip mask at night, so it's really the only lip product that I use outside of lipstick that's gonna keep my lips super moisturized. As a bonus, I want to show you guys one more thing. So Tumi Luggage has this travel case that's like an instant organizer. I love this one. Hang it up in your hotel room or in your bathroom, and it has like a million compartments for all your stuff. So just wanted to recommend that one. That is it. Those are my top 5 skincare travel essentials. I'm gonna link everything that I talked about in the video notes below so you guys can find them easily, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.